Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Nicole here from My Pretty Charmed Life, and today's video is a Mother's Day collection video. So this is my haul of the items that I got when the Mother's Day collection launched, and it was to get this free bangle. And our background is brought to you by Presley. She, you can't really see the top of this, but she made me this for Mother's Day, and then she drew our dog right there, Zuko, and I think she did an amazing job. So thank you, Presley, for setting up our background. She's playing. She didn't want to come and introduce it, but that's okay. Before I get started, one of the things I wanted to call out is Pandora is continuing to send, when you order from their e-store, charms in one of these bags. And I'm so excited that they're doing that because I love using these to place my bracelets in. So thank you, Pandora. This is way better than boxes. I appreciate it. Okay, so jumping in, we'll start with this charm right here. This is the Family Open Works charm, or the Family Tree Open Works charm that Pandora did this year. They've done a lot of like family trees with dangles, but I really, really loved that this was not a dangle. And look at the bottom, it's so cute. You see the little heart indentions on the bottom. Then it comes up to the tree where some of the leaves are just plain silver and some are cubic zirconia, and it's really pretty. I love this bead. And then the side, I really even like that they took the time to just kind of make a little beaded detail on the side. Very nicely done. I really wanted this to go with my their new bracelet that you'll see here just a minute too. There we go. The one charm that I knew I needed immediately was this gorgeous dangle, and like the lighting is not picking up how gorgeous this is. The background is like a purpley, ombre, glittery, galaxy looking background. And then on the first part of the dangle, you have stars, which are my fave, and hearts, and the infinity symbol. So pretty. And then the bail almost has like an ombre CZ detail to it as well, from a darker purple to very, very light. The back says, "I love you to infinity and beyond," which is just beautiful. Presley and I, we normally say love you to the moon and back, but we always like argue who loves each other more, and we just keep going on and on and on and on. And I tell her I love you times infinity, or infinity times infinity. She doesn't really know what that means, but this is perfect for another just mother-daughter bracelet that I want to start. So beautiful. I love this charm. It was my favorite. The other charm that I got, and I loved this so much, I didn't really care if it was going to be gifted to me. I'm like, I'm getting it for myself. But it came in this set. So you guys can see that this bracelet is their new, like, smaller clasp bracelet, which is really interesting. I really like how dainty it is. Still has Pandora written around the barrel, but it is a significantly smaller barrel than we're used to. And it came with these Shining Path clips. They're the ones with the pink CZ in them. And it came with this charm, Mom of the Year. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I think all of us mothers out there deserve Mom of the Year this year specifically. I think we're all getting challenged in ways that we did not know we would be challenged, just going through everything that's going on out there. So, and we are all the queens of our households. So beautiful detail, adding the crown on top. Oh, how I wish Pandora would bring back 14 karat gold and how that should have been gold, but it's okay. The back of this side is just plain. I got a better deal getting it with the bracelet and the clips, so I always like to go that route. And I'll show you here in a minute. The sizing on these is a little off, so I'll show you here in just a few. Here's another item that I got. I was really happy that Pandora came out with another clasp bracelet, like a special clasp. The thing that I love about clasps that look like charms is the fact that like you can't really tell when your bracelet's upside down. Like it's just never fails. My clasp is always like on the top of my wrist. And so when you have a clasp that looks like a charm, it's nicer than just having a barrel on there. So this is just very beautifully detailed. Again, this matches that Openworks family tree charm. And then on the back, it says family. This is just perfect for any kind of family bracelet that you're gonna make, whether it's like your immediate family or friends that are family or fur family. It's just really, really nice. And they added a little bit of detail there. I think they're leaves, but they remind me of Pac-Man. I'll show you now actually that I have this. So this is an 18 and this is an 18. I want to show you the differences in sizing just in case you're going to buy that the smaller clasp bracelet. It isn't like, it doesn't measure the same. And I don't know if like Pandora is just measuring the chain and using like a universal size for clasps. It's totally different, like significantly. Let me see if I could capture this. Okay, so I have this on the end. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, hold on, let me do it this way. Bear with me here. Bear with me here. Okay, so the top is even, and look at, there's a considerable like difference. Like I know it doesn't seem like it's that big of a difference, but if you're between sizes or a size 18 is like just right, a size 18 might be too tight in this, just FYI. So that is a pretty big difference. It comes from the clasp, obviously, being significantly smaller. And then I noticed this in a video from my friend Daily Charm Addict. She called out that even the threading is smaller. So I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but just to note, threading is smaller. So there you go, just a little information about sizing of that bracelet. And what else? Oh, okay, let's go to the gift with purchase. So I actually purchased enough in this haul to get, it was limit 3, so I got me one, my mom one, and my sister one, and then of course I got them charms too. Can't reveal that though, because my sister hasn't got hers. But I love that this bracelet, it was the gift with purchase. Everything is on the clasp, so usually we'll have like an engraving on here, but I absolutely love that they just spent all the time in putting the detail here. It says Forever Love on this side, and then on the back you have the dangling infinity symbol. I love it all. I'm so excited about this Mother's Day haul, especially this one. It is just absolutely gorgeous and stunning. When I saw Europe get it earlier, I was like, I can't wait till we get it. But anyway, this is everything I got for now. I want to know if you've already gotten something from Mother's Day or what is on your wish list from Mother's Day, whether you're a mother or not, right? These things aren't necessarily just for moms. But if you are a mother, or whether that's a child mother or a fur mother, fur mom, happy Mother's Day to everybody out there. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you. Thank you all so much for watching. See you all next time.